Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pranjal Bhardwaj and for today's video guys, today's video is something that you guys have been asking me a lot recently. How I actually balance my busy schedule and stay organized through everything. College, content, exams and everything. Literally life. I know it's not easy, but I promise that these small habits changed everything for me. So grab a drink, relax and let's get into my tips and tricks. Okay, so we are going to be covering 5 tips in this video, so let's begin. Tip number 1. Prioritize smartly. Okay, first things first. Not everything deserves your energy or attention. Every morning or the night before, I write down 3 top priorities for the day or the next day. Just 3. If I finish those, I already feel accomplished. Because when you try to do everything at once, you get overwhelmed and then you burn out, which is a huge mistake that I used to make. And you end up doing nothing properly. So pick your 3 top priorities and focus on them first. Tip 2. Time blocking. This one literally saved my routine. I divided my days into chunks, 4 to 4:30 study, 5 to 5:30 editing or whatever, just an example. When you assign a specific time block to things, you don't waste your time thinking about what to do next, and it helps you stay realistic about how much you can fit into one day. And I used to do this in 10th grade and 12th grade as well. I enjoyed the whole year and still got 90% plus in both of my classes. So this is your sign to use this tip, and I'm sure you won't waste your time. And also you need a little bit of discipline. Tip 3. Digital declutter and planners. I keep my phone organized too. Folders for college, productivity apps, and I use Google Keep and Notion and even reminder on my iOS for all my deadlines. Plus I have a physical planner too. Sometimes I also write the stuff that I need to do on a sticky note because writing down things also feel very satisfying. Honestly, the combo of digital and handwritten keeps me sane. Tip number 4. Limit distractions. This one's hard, especially if you're active on Instagram and YouTube like me. So what I do is I set screen limits and keep my phone away when I study. When I actually have to lock in physically far away, like I put it far away so that it is not in my sight. Out of sight, out of mind. Or I actually just put it on time lapse. And this is literally my favorite hobby to do. While studying, it feels so satisfying because after studying for long duration and watching that time lapse, it feels so satisfying and actually an accomplishment. And I feel like it's literally discipline over motivation. I can tell you a lot of tips, but it's up to you if you follow them and you are highly disciplined. I know nobody's perfect, no one's highly disciplined, but I feel like if you don't have the inner, push, the drive, then you are not able to do something or anything for that matter. Last tip number 5. Reset routine. Every Sunday I do a mini weekly reset routine. Clean my space, set my goals for the week and check what's coming up. This habit makes your whole upcoming week sorted even before it starts. So yes, these were my 5 tips which I feel like are really important and actually very very helpful. Like you can actually use them and they would work. This is my promise and trust me. But I also feel like that it is all about consistency and small habits each and every day. And yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did so, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye.